Welcome to State of Tech. Let's take a look at the new YouTube gaming app that's available for your iPhone, iPod Touch, iPad, and Android devices. Now, this application just launched. This service is YouTube's answer to Twitch's live streaming of video games. So right here in the main menu, we have What's Live. This is going to be our home feed, and I can start swiping down and seeing everything that's live. Now, these aren't specifically games that I am following or channels that I am following, but this is mainly a nice feed of what's currently live, and I can swipe through and view them. So right here on this Call of Duty Black Ops one, I can see the actual name of the channel, who's streaming it, and how many people are watching it. If I were to tap on this, it's going to jump me right into that feed and load up the video. You see in the top of the screen, I have the current video that's playing, I have the chat down here at the bottom, and I can begin typing in my own chat by coming in here and typing in here. Now I can just say something like, "This looks really cool," and then send it off. Now it's in the chat. Now if I tap up here below the video feed I have suggested, this is going to be different suggested videos based upon the feed that I am currently watching. So this could either be channel suggestions or user suggestions based upon who's currently streaming. Tapping on the details will show me all the details for the current stream, the title, who's watching. I can give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. And then tapping on the star button next to these streamers down below, such as Call of Duty Black Ops 3 and the Drifter, those are the two people that are currently streaming. So Drifter being the user, Call of Duty Black Ops 3 being the game. And now that I've started both of them, they're going to show up in my subscriptions for who I'd like to follow in YouTube gaming. Down below we have the started on. I see all the details for the actual stream, what he's capturing with. So these details are obviously going to vary based upon each stream that you're watching. It's kind of like the details of a YouTube video. So this is really great. You can see this app is really fluid, really streamlined, and I can see the stream up at the top. Now tapping on the stream gives me some options. I see that it's currently live. I can tap the pause button to pause the stream. Tap on the top right hand corner, the three little dots. I can change my quality, turn closed captionings on or off if they support that, and I can even report this if it's inappropriate. Tapping up there again, I see the share button. Tap that share button, it opens up my iOS share sheet where I can share with all of my favorite iOS apps. And then just like the main YouTube app, as the video is going, I can swipe down. The video is going to stay in the bottom corner of my device, and I can continue swiping through and viewing all the different tabs. Now to get rid of the video, all we have to do is swipe over to the left. Now the video is gone and it's no longer playing. Now tap over here in the top left hand corner, this is games. So this is going to be the games feed where you can see all the games that you'd like to follow. Currently the four up top are my games. These are games that I'm interested in, so whenever these games actually have streams going on, I'll be notified. Down below we have trending games, and I can go ahead and swipe through, and when I find games that interest me, all I need to do is tap on the star button, and they're going to be added to my games. And by adding them to my games, this is going to enable me to get notifications whenever a stream for that game is available and live. Notice I can swipe through and there are a ton of different games that I can choose from. I can also search for a game if I'm looking for a specific game or streamer. Just tap in the search field up here and type in what I'm looking for. There's also the option for a voice search up in the top right hand corner in the search field. Tapping on the channels, I can import channels from my YouTube. So tapping on that will show me all of the YouTube channels that I'm currently subscribed to that are also gaming channels here on the actual YouTube gaming. Go ahead and select all, add these channels, and now they're going to import. And whenever these channels go live on YouTube gaming, I'm also going to get notified of that. Down below, there's also featured channels, just as we saw with featured games. And I can go ahead and start subscribing to these and tapping on the star button to go ahead and add them to my channels. Notice some of these are live. I have a live button and I can see how many people are watching each channel. Now I can always pull down to refresh. So I'm refreshed here, tap on a feed, I can go ahead and refresh here. And then if I tap on a game, again, just swipe down to refresh. Now what's really awesome is the integration here with YouTube. So if I tap in a game, say Batman Arkham Knight, this is going to show me the game channel. Swipe over to the left here and I can see about the game, I see the release date, and all this stuff's been auto-generated by YouTube and the Wikipedia descriptions. Swipe over, here's some videos. Swipe down, I can see all the videos and keep going. These are videos related to the game. Now if there's a live stream going on, it's going to show up in the live tab here, and if I tap on this, it's going to jump me right into the feed of the game that I'm looking at. So here it loads in the live stream, and we can see this is the game that I'm currently looking at. Swipe down, it brings us back into the feed. Notice the video is still playing in the bottom right hand corner. Swipe over to the right. This is going to show me videos related to my channels. I can see what's popular about this game. Let's play. So these are different playlists, reviews, Warner Brothers Interactive. So there's a lot of integration here with YouTube whenever you're looking through games to find different videos that are relating to the game that you're looking at. Now, one thing that I did kind of find cumbersome is right here, there's no swipe down to refresh. So if I try and refresh, look, it actually tries to close out the game tab. Now, if you want to refresh what's currently being played or any of the things in this game option, tap on the top right hand corner. You'll notice refresh, share, feedback, and help. Tap refresh and it's going to refresh everything about this game in the game channel itself. And as always, we come back out to the main menu. Tap in your profile icon in the top right hand corner. You're going to be able to access and switch accounts, sign out of your current account, view settings, get feedback, and help. And in the settings section, you can actually open links in Chrome, clear your YouTube watch history, clear YouTube search history, and even pause both those items. So if you didn't want searches showing up from YouTube Gaming in your main YouTube app, you can actually go ahead and pause these different things. So everything that you search for inside of YouTube Gaming will remain in YouTube Gaming. And then down below we have our ad settings and we can enable our actual notifications. And then down below we have all of our YouTube terms of service, licenses, version, and YouTube, a Google company. So that is a quick overview of YouTube Gaming for the iPhone and Android devices. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below. Let us know what you think of this application in the comments below, and we'll see you next time on State of Tech.